wise man, he built his rock on a flat rock, and the foolish man, he built his house on sand. The floods came up, the rain came down, the floods came up. The wise man, his house, the rain came up, the rain came down, the floods came up. The wise man's house stayed still, and the rains came down to the foolish man's house. The floods came up to the foolish man's house. Then, crash! The foolish man's house went down. The end.
What does that teach us?
That teaches us that the wise man built his house on the rock of Jesus.
And who are you going to build your house on?
A rock.
Of?
Jesus.